Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you row villas, row houses in JP Nagar 9th phase. So looking for a row house gated community project in the city and in and around JP Nagar or South Bangalore, this could be one of the options for you. This is the G+1 structure, and that's the elevation of the row house. Contemporary modern design in its elevation. And this is in a gated community of 43 niche row houses. And this the best thing about this project is it has won the best row villa project of the year 2020 by the Economic Times Business Excellence Awards. So now that's the elevation. It's got two car parks which you could see on the left. We zoom in and show you that. We could have two back-to-back car parks there. And that's the main entrance into the row house. So we got to take about 4 steps. So it's on an elevated platform, the house. And now let's walk and show you how the row houses are spread out. So if you're talking about location, it's on JP Nagar 9th phase. And if you're talking about the sizes of this, the site area would be around 2095 square feet with a built up of around 3863 square feet. There's a separate servant entry for all the villas, and there's a terrace area which is on the top, which will be around 804 square feet. So now let's walk in and show you the row houses at JP Nagar 9th phase. That's the main entrance door into the row house. The main entrance is about 5 steps higher from the ground level, and on the either sides of the main door you've got small garden areas, as you see that on your screens right now. And besides the main door is a fixed window, a huge window which will allow a lot of natural light into the row house. Now let's walk in. Now we enter into the row villa, and that's how the ground floor is spread out. That right in front of your screens is the living area, behind which is the dining and the kitchen, and an open to sky sit out there where you could see a few greens there. Let's walk in and show you how the living area is spread out. That's the fixed window, that's marble flooring all across. Those are the stairs that will take you to the first floor. And now let's walk towards the other end. That's the dining area. And it's got an open to sky sit out. That's the kitchen. And connected to the kitchen is the utility area. Now from the utility we turn around and head back into the kitchen. A quick view of the kitchen from the other end. The kitchen is smoothly connected to the dining, which is nicely connected to the living area, and that's the main entrance from wherein we enter into the villa from. There's ample of light. That's a double height ceiling just below the dining area. And now when we turn around here, let's walk into bedroom number 1, or the guest bedroom. That's how the bedroom number 1 or the guest bedroom is spread out. It's got a huge fixed window. That's the wardrobe. It's got windows on 2 adjacent walls, so ensuring a lot of cross ventilation and natural light into the villa. That's another angle of the guest bedroom. That's a window which opens out to the sit out, which is open to sky. And now let's head out of bedroom number 1. As we head out of bedroom number 1, just adjacent is the common toilet and a bath. And before we head up, just adjacent to the common toilet is an indoor garden, which is double height, which runs all across, and it's open to sky. And that's the garden. You can do a nice internal garden or kitchen garden, or you can even do an organic kitchen farming. And now we'll take you to the first floor and show you the other bedrooms. And before we take you up, that's a view of the ground floor. A quick view again. And these are the stairs that goes up to the first floor. As we head on the stairs, this section is split into 2. That's the landing. From the landing, we take a left. We have a small living area, and that stairs takes you to the terrace. And if you go straight from the landing, we come on to another small living area. That's how the living area is spread, and this floor has got 2 bedrooms. There's ample of light here. This is bedroom number 2 of the master bed. It's got wooden laminate flooring. There's good amount of sunlight and a scope for good cross ventilation. It's got with 3 windows on 3 walls. This is the open to sky, which overlooks the sit out. That's a decent walk-in closet with an attached toilet and a bath. It's got a shower cubicle and a toilet cubicle, which is separate. And that's the dressing area. Now we head back into the master bed. A quick view of the master bed from the other end. Quite decent in size. The best thing is a lot of light and cross ventilation. Now we head out of the master bed. Now we head into bedroom number 3. The bedrooms are of decent size. That's the wardrobe. This room's got a balcony attached. And also a toilet and a bath. The view of the bedroom number 3 from the other end. That's a private family living area. Take these stairs to go onto the terrace. The ceiling here is quite lofty, it's a double height, so it gives it a nice lofty feel. That's an open to sky. Now we are on the second floor of the terrace. To the left is bedroom number 4. This bedroom is also attached with a toilet and a bath. The view of the 4th bedroom from the other end. Now we head out of the bedroom number 4 and onto the terrace. Thank you for watching our videos. Hope you've liked what you've seen. These are niche 43 row villas in the JP Nagar 9th phase. If you're looking in something in South Bangalore and think this suits you, do contact us on the numbers given below. Hope you've liked what you've seen. Please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.